Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming future videos. I would also like to take the time to apologize for not posting regularly. From August to December is my most busiest seasons with orders. I will continue my regular postings as of January of 2020. I will be attending VidCon in the California area in June of 2020, and if you are from the California area, stop by and say hello. I would love to meet you. So I wanted to share some great gift ideas to stay within budget for the holiday season. So let's get started with project 1. To start, I'll be using a 5-inch round mirror that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I'll be taking it apart. Next, I'll be using 2 metallic silver chargers that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I'll be using my hot tool to create 2 holes on the upper side of the charger. Once I was done making the 2 holes, I would take a piece of ribbon and insert the ends of the ribbon through each hole. Once I was done inserting the ribbon through the holes on the back side of the charger, I would tie it in the front and add some hot glue for a hold. Next, I'll bring back my 5-inch round mirror, and I'll use my strongest adhesive glue and hot glue to attach the mirror onto the charger. Next, I will use clear Elmers glue, and I will apply the glue around the mirror part, and I will use a generous amount. Next, I'll be using iridescent glitter for extra shimmer. I'll be using a paintbrush to spread the glue around. Next, I'll be using gold tone crushed glass, and I'll be applying it on top of the glue. Then I will go back with my clear glue for better coverage. I will repeat the same steps on the outer part of the charger. I believe that using clear glue instead of Mod Podge would have a long-lasting better hold with the crushed glass and less falling. And it dries faster and very clear. Next, I'll be using gold assorted gems that I purchased from Michaels, and I'll be using the larger size. I will have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Always clean your glass mirrors before gluing or applying anything on for a long-lasting hold. Next, I'll be using gold yellow tone gems that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I'll be using hot glue to apply them around the edge part of the mirror. These are self-adhesive, but for a longer hold, it's better to apply hot glue. For project number 2, I'll be starting off with two 12-inch cutout cardboards that I cut previously, and I'll be cutting the center 9 inches. Next, I'll be drawing straight lines 3 inches apart. On the second cardboard, I'll be drawing 4 pyramid shapes 1 inch apart, and this will be used for better lighting. Next, I'll be using painter's sticks that you may find at your local Home Depot for free at the painter's counter, and I'll be cutting them to 7 inches. Next, I'll be applying hot glue on one end of each painter's sticks, and I'll be lining them up to each line. Next, I'll bring back the top part of the chandelier, and I'll be repeating the same gluing steps. Next, I'll be using the lighting cord, and I will measure the top part of the cord to the center of the top base of the chandelier for a perfect fit, and this will be used to insert the lighting. Next, I will apply 1 coat of white spray paint, and then I will apply 1 coat of a gold metallic spray paint, and the white will make the gold stand out more on the entire base. I also ended up removing some painter sticks and remain with 4. Next, I'll be applying this metallic gold glittery mesh that I purchased from Dollar General, and I'll be gluing it on the edge of the base. I applied 3 layers around the base. Next, I'll be using cardboard that I already cut round 5x5, and I cut the center 3x3, and then I'll be using spray painted metallic gold. Next, I'll be using these diamond chandelier links that I purchased from Amazon, and I also purchased some teardrop shaped links as well. I will also be using a jewelry bending tool and jewelry making eye pins. The diamond teardrops and the chandelier links are very easy to attach together. Just open one side of the key ring and slide in the other side of the chandelier link, and you can make these in any length you like. Next, I'll use my bending tool and bend one side of the pin, and then I'll take my chandelier link and hook it onto the hook, and then I'll close it up using my bending tool. And I made 3 different sizes. Next, I'll take my 7.5 inch links, and I'll be placing them 3 inches apart from each other. Next, I will make 4 marks, and this is where I will be inserting the chandelier links. I will pierce the marked spots using the same pin as I used to attach the links. To hold the links, just bend one side in. Continue the same steps on the other 3. Next, I'll be using the 5.5-inch links, and I'll repeat the same steps, but this time I will center it in between the other pins. Next, I'll be using fishing line, and I'll use 2 jewelry pins, and I'll attach them to each end, doubling up the fishing line, and I'll make 2 more using the first one as my guide line. Once I am done completing all 3, I will then pierce them in the center, 8 inches apart, 1 inch apart from the edge, and then I will use my bending tool and bend the ends. And I will use this to attach in the center of the base. Next, I purchased from Home Depot a lighting cord and 60-watt light bulbs. Once I checked everything was properly working, I took a piece of cardboard and I cut it to size in a square shape, and then I cut a slit and I attached the bottom part of the lighting cord where I insert the light bulb, and then I'll hold it in place with hot glue. And here is the finished look on project number 1 and project number 2. I really do love the way both projects turned out, and this will be the perfect Christmas gift for that special someone in your life or just for yourself. Leave a comment below on which one is your favorite. Will it be the hanging teardrop diamond chandelier or the crushed glass mirror wall decor? You have the options of placing the wall decors on easels or just simply on your wall. That special someone that I made these Christmas gifts for loves silver and gold, and these would be the perfect addition to her makeup room. I hope you enjoyed this DIY video and find these ideas very helpful for gifts. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends. Leave a comment if you wish. Click that notification bell for more upcoming future videos. See you soon.